Sorry about that. Got a call from my parents. Two, my cousin and my dad are going to meet me at the end of this. You'll get to see them. Also, I'm going to say hi to my viewers. Anyhow, if you live in Alachua County but still live in Gainesville, please tell them. This place could play mind tricks on you folks. But trust me, I will be fine. If I had my bike, I would not be recording this, so that's why I'm recording it, because I do not have my bike. Damn it. Next time, though, next time. On my birthday, wherever I live, I'm going to send you guys a message in the comments saying what you should do. On my birthday, I'm going to tell you the location of my house, but if you are a criminal and I give you this address, I'm going to give out 2 addresses. Now, one of them is going to be fake, the other one will be absolutely true. I'm not going to tell which is which. So basically, if you're going to send me a gift but you're a criminal, you're going to send me 2 gifts to both locations. Whichever one I receive will be the true one. Whichever one I don't receive will be the fake one. So basically, if you're a criminal, sorry about that, that's my poster. John Cena's You Can't Stop Me now, and you can't see me. And Daniel Bryan's Yes, Yes, Yes poster just fell out of my pocket. You know what? Some men have been bugging me about this, but I'm going to go ahead and do this. This is what I look like. I have ears. Teeth are messed up, I know. They're a bit yellowish, I know. I do take care of them. Somehow they still stay yellow. Back to the trail. Yeah, at least we got spider web right there. And I've been able to see it, but it's a big, huge one. Not that huge of a spider, though. Right now we are walking on a bridge. When it was starting to get evening around here one time, my cousin first came here, and he took me and my brother here. It was getting evening, and I swore I heard hoof prints. Like it was. Have you guys ever heard the movie Sleepy Hollow? I do believe in ghosts, but that movie I did not believe in. The Sportsman. Yeah, right. And it is daytime, so I'm safe walking through here. But if it was evening time, I wouldn't be talking right now. I will just have this thing recording. I'll leave in the comments why. I'll try to stay absolutely quiet. He is around during daytime, but he can't bother us because it's daylight. And plus, the only place he can get you at during the daytime is the bridge. But that was just, I thought it was just one man playing tricks on me. I hope if it wasn't, I wouldn't be here today, would I? When I get to the end, after I show you my 2 parts of my family, I'm going to do my usual goodbye slogan. Another thing, what's another thing? This nature trail is very creepy. If you're going to think about taking the same nature trails I'm going through, don't. Even at night or in the morning. You better wait until the afternoon time. And believe me, if a heavy person was you, and he can only attack on the bridge, I would have been running for my life to get off the bridge. As you can see, as I'm still talking, nothing has come out at me, which is a good thing. But like I said in the beginning of the episode, sorry about the first one again. Got a call. Had to answer it. So basically, this is like still part 1. There was no 2 parts, but this thing got cut in half because of the call. So yeah. You see, I am almost through. I've done this before. I can do it again, but it just creeps me out so much. I swear, I just keep hearing noises that are creeping me out, folks. This place doesn't even have a ranger. Used to. We freaking moved. So now there's no ranger here. If you really have any number to call the rangers in case you need help. They'll come find you. And sadly, they all moved. They're still in Gainesville. I mean, like, they still work for here, but like, they just don't actually come here anymore. If you ask me, it's pretty stupid. Okay, guys, I'm gonna stop talking now because I feel like somebody's following me. Yeah, it's quiet for a while. I don't think something is following me. I'll talk again. Bye. Hey, look, there's there's 2 parts of my family. I said to meet me out there in the front. So
Why you come down the trail for?
here's why. The freaking I had to go to the bathroom.
Over there.
Yeah, but all the bathrooms over there by the park were freaking taken out.
Went in there and go to the bathroom.
I was actually still at the park when I had to go. So I went into a racquetball. Yeah.
Somebody see you here.
Exactly. I went to a racquetball place, blocked the door with my backpack, and went in there.
You find Jason?
No, but I swore, it felt like someone was following me. Say hi to my viewers on YouTube.
Who are you talking to?
Talking to my viewers. No. I have a couple of subscribers. I did not think you guys would actually come out through the trail. I told Mom just to tell you guys to wait out front. What? The sort like I just told you.
You're wrong, bro. I thought you'd be...
It got all over me.
Listen.
Hey, there's cars here.
You would walk, if you're scared and someone's following, you're going to walk in the woods instead of walking in public?
No. I started the trail halfway through. It felt like someone was watching me because I kept hearing noise. Like,
you do know there's squirrels in this woods, right?
I know I saw the squirrels, but it felt like still someone was watching me. And the cars have never been here before. That's so weird. On the private property, and that's this.
No, that's not. It says restroom.
This is the building where all the cops hang out at.
So he was sitting close to some shit. Oh, damn. I bet you can go ahead and fucking girl like that. Crazy, crazy. That one. Right there, see? That one. Which one? Where is it? Oh, right here. That's it.
I already went at the park. I already told you.
No.
I already went at the park in the racquetball. Yeah, it's a racquetball.
What did you say you had to go for?
No, I said I had as in the past tense of half.
I said hey to her and she ran on by and I said hey.
No, she did. She said something. She said something.
I didn't hear her say nothing.
I did.
She had a damn serious face, like, she didn't really want to run through that, but you know.
Exactly.
What game? I used to wait till the almost on me.